You're nobody. A face in the crowd. A name on a list. Powerless. Forgettable. Disposable. But there's a path. A brutal, calculated sequence of moves that transforms ordinary men into rulers, into dictators. Most people don't have the stomach for it. Most people break. Most people die trying. But if you can survive each level, if you can do what others won't, you'll hold a nation in your hands. This is not theory. This is the system. And you're about to enter it. There are stages to power. Each one demands something from you. Each one eliminates the weak. You advance by survival, by ruthlessness, by perfect timing. Failure at any stage means exile, prison, or death. Success means you move up. Let's begin. Welcome to Level 1. You are a dissatisfied citizen. Just another voice in a sea of complaints. No platform, no followers, no influence. You have opinions about how broken everything is, but opinions mean nothing without leverage. Your task: identify the wound. Every nation has one. Economic collapse, military defeat, ethnic tension, humiliation. You find it, you study it, you learn to speak about it in a way that makes people stop scrolling, stop walking, stop ignoring you. The risk: you're nobody. Nobody listens to nobodies. You could spend years shouting into the void. You could be dismissed as a crank, a lunatic, a threat. The state might notice you too early, before you're useful, before you're protected. The reward: a handful of people start listening. You're no longer invisible. You have 5 followers, then 50, then 500. Your name starts circulating in the right circles, the angry ones, the desperate ones. But here's the test: someone reports you. Your words are too sharp, too dangerous. Authorities show up at your door. They want to know who you are, what you want. Whether you're a problem, you smile, you apologize. You soften your language just enough to survive. You move up. Welcome to Level 2. You are a minor agitator. People know your name in certain circles. You're invited to small meetings, back rooms, cafes where the lighting is bad and the conversations are worse. You're not leading yet. You're auditioning. Your task: build your inner circle. You need 3 types of people: the believer, someone who thinks you're a prophet; the enforcer, someone who enjoys violence and will use it on your behalf; the accountant, someone who can move money, forge documents, and never ask questions. You find them. You test their loyalty with small tasks. You keep them close. The risk: these people are criminals, fanatics, opportunists. They'll betray you the moment someone offers a better deal. One of them might be an informant. One of them might try to replace you. The reward: you're no longer alone. You have infrastructure, a network. People who will lie for you, fight for you, kill for you if necessary. The test: your enforcer gets arrested. He knows everything: your plans, your contacts, your secrets. The police offer him a deal. He could bury you. You visit his family. You don't threaten them. You don't have to. You just remind them that loyalty is a currency, and currency flows both ways. He stays silent. You move up. Welcome to Level 3. You are a movement leader. Hundreds follow you now. Maybe thousands. You hold rallies, small ones at first, rented halls, folding chairs, bad sound systems, but they're packed. People are angry, and you give their anger a voice, a target, a purpose. Your task: craft the message. It must be simple. It must be emotional. It must create an enemy. Not a vague enemy, a specific one. The elites, the immigrants, the neighboring country, the previous regime. Whoever works, you repeat it until it becomes truth, until your followers can recite it in their sleep. The risk? The state is watching now. They see your crowds. They hear your message. They'll try to co-opt you, discredit you, or destroy you. Journalists will investigate your past. Your enemies will surface. Old crimes, old lovers, old debts. The reward: media coverage. Your face on the news. Your words quoted in print. Every attack against you makes you stronger with your base. Every accusation proves you're the threat the system fears most. The test: a journalist publishes a damaging story. True or not, it doesn't matter. It's spreading. Your followers are asking questions. You call it a conspiracy. You name the journalist. You turn her into the story. Your people flood her life with threats, with hate, with harassment. She stops investigating. You move up. Welcome to Level 4. You are a political contender. You're running for office now, or you're positioning yourself as the alternative to those who are. You have funding, businessmen who see you as useful, foreign powers who see you as controllable. You have infrastructure, Campaign offices, lawyers, strategists. Your task: destabilize the current system without breaking it. You expose corruption, but only in your enemies. You promise order, but only after chaos. You need people to believe the present is unbearable, so the future you offer feels necessary. You stage events. You amplify crises. You make everything feel like it's falling apart. The risk? Assassination. Coup. Legal destruction. Your enemies control the courts, the military, the police. They can arrest you on false charges. They can make you disappear. They can kill you and call it suicide. The reward? Legitimacy. You're not a fringe figure anymore. You're a candidate, a threat, a possibility. Millions now see you as the answer. The test: the regime tries to ban you. They declare your party illegal, or they disqualify you from the ballot. They think they've won. You call for mass protests. Hundreds of thousands flood the streets. The regime has two choices: negotiate or shoot. If they negotiate, you've won. If they shoot, you've won. You move up. Welcome to level 5. You are in power. Elected, appointed, or seized. It doesn't matter. You have a title now. President, Prime Minister, General Secretary. You sit in the palace. You sign the laws. You control the budget. But you don't control everything. Not yet. Your task: consolidate. The military still answers to generals who don't trust you. The courts still have independent judges. The media still criticizes you. The bureaucracy still runs on old rules. You begin replacing them. Slowly at first. You promote loyalists. You fire dissenters. You pass emergency laws that expand your authority. The risk? A counter-coup. The old guard sees what you're doing. They have allies in the security services, in foreign governments, in the business elite. They'll move against you the moment they think they can win. The reward? More control. You appoint the judges. You command the police. You own the narrative. The test: a high-ranking general refuses an order. He thinks he's untouchable. He thinks the other generals will back him. You arrest him for treason. You make the trial public. You make the execution quick. The other generals learn the lesson. You move up. This is the most dangerous phase of the entire journey. You're powerful now, but power attracts challengers. And every challenger knows that the only way to take what you have is to destroy you completely. From here on, mistakes are fatal. Welcome to level 6. You are a strongman. The Constitution has been rewritten or ignored. Term limits don't apply to you. Elections are formalities. Your face is on the currency, on the buildings, in every classroom. You are the state. Your task: eliminate rivals permanently. Not just political rivals, anyone with influence. Popular generals, charismatic governors, wealthy businessmen, beloved celebrities, anyone the people might turn to if you fall. You investigate them. You find crimes, real or fabricated. You arrest them. You force confessions. You make examples. The risk? The people turn against you. Protests, strikes, uprisings. Your security forces are loyal, but loyalty has limits. If the streets explode, if the soldiers refuse to fire, you're finished. The reward? Silence. Obedience. No one questions you. No one dares. The test: a protest movement begins. It starts small, but spreads. They're calling for your removal. They're organized. They're fearless. You send in the police. They crack skulls. They fill the jails. You shut down the internet. You arrest the leaders. You flood the state media with propaganda. You call them terrorists, foreign agents, traitors. The protests stop. You move up. Welcome to level 7. You are untouchable. The institutions are yours. The military is yours. The economy is yours. No law binds you. No court judges you. You've survived coup attempts, assassination plots. You've buried rivals, crushed movements, rewritten history. Your task: create the cult. Your image must be everywhere. Your words must be doctrine. Children must memorize your speeches. Artists must celebrate you. History must begin with you. You are not just the leader. You are the nation itself. The risk? Isolation. You trust no one. Your advisors lie to you because the truth is dangerous. Your family plots against you because power is hereditary, or it's nothing. Your allies are waiting for you to weaken. The reward? Immortality. At least while you live. Statues, monuments, songs. You've bent reality to your will. The test: Your inner circle, the people who've been with you since the beginning, start asking questions about succession, about your health, about what happens when you're gone. You remove them, one by one, quietly. You replace them with younger men, men who owe you everything, men who've never known a world without you. You move up. Welcome to level 8. You are the dictator. You've reached the top. There is no higher level. No one above you. No one who can challenge you and survive. You control the narrative, the military, the wealth, the borders, the future. But you've lost something. You can't walk the streets. You can't trust your food. You can't sleep in the same place twice. Every handshake might be a threat. Every meeting might be a trap. Your children are weapons someone could use against you. Your legacy is a lie someone could expose. You've become what you needed to become. You've done what you needed to do. And now you're alone. Your task, stay alive. That's it. Just survive. Because the moment you show weakness, the system you built will devour you. The loyalists will scatter. The generals will negotiate. The people will tear down your statues. The risk, everything. Age, illness, a younger rival, a military coup, a popular uprising, a foreign invasion, an assassin who gets lucky. The reward, you wake up tomorrow, still in power, still alive. But here's the truth. Every dictator falls. Every single one. Some die in office. Some are overthrown. Some are executed in the street. Some flee to exile and die forgotten. You've built a system that requires you. And the moment you're gone, it collapses. You're the most powerful person in your country. And you're the most trapped. You've sacrificed everything. Your safety, your relationships, your humanity, for control. And control is all you have left. Was it worth it? That's not a question you're allowed to ask anymore. You are the dictator. And this is where the path ends.